How to find settings on Bereal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Bereal and now click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points, and that's it. As you see here, we'll find settings. Here you can manage features and settings, and that's it. Notifications, time zone, or anything you want, and that's it. Now just manage it and go back. It will be saved, and if you can't find it here, then just update your Bereal, and that's it. You will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.